Have you ever caught yourself pausing at the bottom of a staircase, taking a quiet breath before you gather the courage to take that first step? If you have, you are not alone. But what I'm about to share with you today is one simple, affordable food, something that might already be sitting in your kitchen right now, that has helped people in their 60s, 70s, even their 90s rebuild real strength in their legs. I'll reveal exactly what it is in just a moment. Have you ever caught yourself pausing at the bottom of a staircase just for a second, gathering yourself before you take that first step up? Or maybe you've noticed that getting out of your favorite chair isn't the smooth, effortless motion it used to be. You push off the armrests a little harder now. You steady yourself for a moment before you walk. And if you felt that quiet nagging fear in the back of your mind, the fear of losing your independence, the fear of a fall, the fear of needing help just to get around your own kitchen, I want you to know something right now. You are not weak. You are not broken. And you are absolutely not alone. Millions of people over 60 feel exactly what you're feeling today. That subtle loss of strength in the legs that seems to creep in so quietly, you almost don't notice it until one day you do. Until one day the stairs feel steeper, the garden feels farther away, the grandkids seem to move just a little too fast for you to keep up. But here's what I need you to understand, and I need you to really let this sink in. Your legs are not just carrying you through your day. Your legs are carrying your independence, your confidence, and quite honestly, your future. And the good news, the truly wonderful news, is that leg strength is not something that simply vanishes with age no matter what you've been told. In fact, there is one specific food, something simple, something you can find in almost any grocery store that has been shown time and again to help rebuild muscle strength in the legs, even in people well into their 80s and 90s. I'm going to reveal exactly what it is and exactly how to eat it for the best results. But I want you to stick with me for just a few minutes first, because understanding why this works is just as important as knowing what it is. When you understand the why, you'll actually want to make this change, and it will stick. So let's talk honestly about what happens to our muscles as we age, because I think it helps to name it clearly instead of dancing around it. After the age of 30, most people begin to lose a small percentage of muscle mass every single decade. And here's the part that catches people off guard. That loss tends to accelerate after 60. It has a name, by the way. Doctors call it sarcopenia. It sounds intimidating, I know, but really it just means age related muscle loss, and it happens to nearly everyone to some degree. The legs, especially the thighs and the calves, are often hit the hardest because they're the muscles we sometimes use the least once our daily routines slow down. Now, here's where I want you to really lean in because this next part changes everything. Muscle loss is not a life sentence. It is not some unstoppable force of nature that you're powerless against. As you start to notice these positive changes taking root in your own body, you'll begin to feel something you may not have felt in years. That steady, grounded feeling when you stand, that quiet confidence when you walk down a flight of stairs without gripping the railing so tightly, that freedom of bending down to pick something up off the floor and rising back up without even thinking about it. That feeling is available to you. It is not reserved for the young. It is absolutely 100% within your reach. Let's build on something we probably already agree on because I think it's worth pausing here for a moment. You already know that food affects your energy levels throughout the day. You already know that what you eat affects your heart, your digestion, your sleep. So it really shouldn't surprise you when you think about it that food also directly affects your muscles. Muscles are living tissue. They are constantly breaking down and rebuilding every single day, whether you're 25 or 95. And just like a house needs quality materials to stay standing strong, your muscles need the right building blocks to repair and grow. That building block is protein. And I know, you've heard the word protein 1,000 times. It's almost become background noise at this point. But here's what most people over 50 don't realize, and this is the mistake I promised to tell you about earlier. Most older adults are simply not eating enough protein. And worse, the protein they are eating often isn't spread out properly throughout the day. Here's what tends to happen: a light breakfast, maybe some toast or cereal, a modest lunch, and then a slightly larger dinner where most of the day's protein finally shows up. The problem is that your muscles can only use so much protein at one time to actually build new tissue. So, that big surge at dinner, most of it goes to waste while your body spends the rest of the day running on empty when it comes to muscle repair. This is one of the quiet reasons so many people find their strength slipping away, even when they think they're eating reasonably well. It's not that they're eating badly, it's that the timing and the source are working against them without anyone ever explaining why. So now let's get to what you've been waiting for. The food I want to tell you about today, the one food that stands above so many others for rebuilding leg strength, is eggs. Simple, humble, affordable eggs. I know it might sound almost too ordinary to be the answer, but let me explain exactly why eggs are so remarkably powerful for people over 60. And honestly, for people at any age, but especially for you right now. Eggs contain what's called complete protein. That means they have all 9 essential amino acids your body needs and cannot produce on its own. Among those amino acids is one called leucine, and leucine is essentially the spark plug for muscle building. It directly signals your body to begin repairing and strengthening muscle tissue. Research has shown that leucine intake becomes even more important as we age because our bodies become less efficient at using protein overall, a phenomenon researchers sometimes call anabolic resistance. In plain language, that means older adults often need more high quality protein, not less, to get the same muscle building effect that a younger person gets from a smaller amount. Eggs are also remarkably easy to digest compared to many other protein sources, which matters a great deal as our digestive systems change with age. They're versatile, they're inexpensive, and they don't require any special preparation or complicated meal planning. You don't need a nutritionist or a personal chef, you just need a stove and a few minutes. But let me go a step further because knowing to eat eggs is only half the picture. How you eat them and when you eat them makes a real difference in how much benefit your legs actually receive. Here is what I recommend. Aim to include 2 to 3 eggs at breakfast, most mornings of the week. This gives your body that crucial dose of leucine early in the day, right when your muscles have gone the longest without repair material, typically overnight while you sleep. Pair those eggs with a source of fiber, like a slice of whole grain toast or some sautéed vegetables, which helps slow digestion and gives your body more time to absorb those valuable amino acids. Now, I want to gently pace with something many of you might be thinking right now. Perhaps you've heard concerns over the years about eggs and cholesterol. I understand that worry, and for decades, many people were told to limit eggs strictly. But here's something worth knowing. Much of the more recent research has shown that for most people, dietary cholesterol from eggs has far less impact on blood cholesterol levels than previously believed. Of course, if you have specific heart conditions or your doctor has given you individual guidance, please do continue following their advice because your personal health history always comes first. But for the vast majority of people over 60, eggs eaten in a sensible, consistent way are considered a safe and even highly beneficial part of a balanced diet. Beyond just the protein and leucine, eggs also contain vitamin D. And this is something I really want you to hear clearly, because vitamin D plays a direct role in muscle function and strength. Many older adults are low in vitamin D without even realizing it, especially if they spend less time outdoors than they used to. Low vitamin D has been linked in research to increased muscle weakness and a higher risk of falls. Eggs are one of the very few natural food sources that contain vitamin D, making them what I like to call a two-for-one solution for your legs, delivering both the protein and the vitamin that work together to support strength and stability. Now, here's something I genuinely love to hear from you because this really does feel like a conversation between us and not just me talking at a screen. I want you to think for a moment about your own daily routine. Do you already eat eggs regularly? Or has this maybe never really been part of your normal breakfast? And more importantly, when was the last time you noticed a real, tangible difference in your leg strength, good or bad? Maybe it was getting up from a low chair more easily than you expected. Or maybe it was struggling with a hill you used to walk without a second thought. Whatever it is, I would love for you to share it in the comments below. Tell me your story. I read every single one, and I promise you, your experience might be exactly what helps someone else reading the comments feel less alone today. Let's talk about consistency now, because that's really the heart of all of this. One breakfast of eggs isn't going to transform your legs overnight, and I never want to promise you something unrealistic. But consistency, day after day, week after week, is where the real transformation happens. As your body begins receiving that steady, reliable supply of high quality protein and vitamin D, your muscle fibers slowly begin to repair more efficiently. Over the coming weeks, many people notice they can stand up from a seated position with a little more ease. Walking distances that once felt tiring start to feel more comfortable. Even simple things like carrying groceries up to your front door start to feel less like a burden and more like something you barely think about. I also want to add one more piece to this, because eggs work best as part of a bigger picture, not as a magic solution all on their own. Alongside eating eggs consistently, try to incorporate some gentle resistance movement into your day. This doesn't mean joining a gym or lifting heavy weights. It can be as simple as standing up and sitting down from a chair 10 times in a row, or doing a few gentle wall push ups, or taking a short walk after your breakfast. When you combine that quality protein from eggs with even light muscle activity, you send your body an even stronger, clearer signal to build and preserve strength. So let's bring this full circle. We started by talking honestly about that quiet fear so many of us carry as we age, that fear of losing strength, losing balance, losing independence. And I hope what you're feeling right now, more than anything else, is hope itself. Because the truth is, your body still has an incredible capacity to rebuild and strengthen, no matter your age, no matter how long it's been since you felt truly strong on your feet. Eggs, eaten consistently, thoughtfully, and paired with just a little gentle movement, offer one of the simplest, most accessible paths towards stronger, more capable legs, whether you're 60, 75, or even 90 years young. I want you to walk away from this video today with one small, doable action. Tomorrow morning, make yourself 2 or 3 eggs. Sit down, enjoy them, and know that with every bite, you are literally feeding strength back into your body. If this video gave you even a small spark of hope today, please take just a moment to like it so more people who need to hear this message can find it. Subscribe if you'd like more honest, caring guidance like this. And if you know someone, a parent, a friend, a neighbor who has been struggling with their strength or their confidence on their feet, please share this with them today. It might be exactly the encouragement they need. Take care of yourself, be gentle with your body, and I'll see you in the next video.